Can I selectively delete parts of an Instagram conversation?
Hello, Instagram enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a very popular question. Can I selectively delete parts of an Instagram conversation? Well, let's dive in and find out.
Can you really delete selective messages?
First things first, let's address the question at hand. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Instagram does allow you to selectively delete individual messages within a conversation. This is a great feature if you want to clean up a chat or remove any specific messages that you no longer want to see. However, keep in mind that deleting a message will only remove it from your view. It does not remove the message from the other person's inbox unless they also choose to delete it.
How to delete individual messages?
Now, you're probably wondering, how do I do this? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. 1. Open the Instagram app and go to the conversation where the message you want to delete is located. 2. Press and hold on the specific message you wish to delete. A set of options should appear. 3. Tap on Unsend. This will remove the message from your view of the conversation. Remember, the Unsend option makes the message disappear from both sides of the conversation, and Instagram will notify the other party that a message was unsent. So, there you have it. Now you know how to selectively delete parts of an Instagram conversation. Remember, though, the other person in the conversation will be notified when you unsend a message, and it doesn't truly delete the message from their view unless they do the same. We hope this guide was useful, and we'll see you in the next video with more helpful Instagram tips and tricks. Happy gramming!